Hey friends, if you wish to open sound settings on a Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the two best solutions, two best methods. So the first one is to open it through sound settings. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select sound in the right pane, scroll down, click on more sound settings, and this is how you'll open them. Then we have a command named mmsys.cpl. You can either run it in the command prompt, but it's easy. Press the Windows key and the R key together, clear the field, paste it here, hit enter, and this is the fastest and easiest way to reach the sounds menu. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.